Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great week. I am back with another video, and today's video is going to highlight a website that is actually a blog that offers free reading and writing lessons for students. So I'm going to head over there now, Simply Skilled Teaching. And this former teacher has set up 3 weeks of reading and writing activities on her blog. And as I scroll down, what you'll see is that each day there is a text with a video and activities. So basically, students can read the text and it can be read to them on the YouTube link below. And then there are activities that you can print out to send to students or adapt for your own use. And what I liked about this website is how it talks about the comprehension focus on the bottom. So it tells you exactly the skill that students are going to be addressing in the activities. So I'm going to pretend that I have a student that has a goal in his IEP for summarizing a text that he has read. So I am going to scroll down through the skills that she has books and lessons prepared for, and I'm going to look for something that might have to do with summarizing. And I get here, and I see that this story, Planes, Trains, or Cars, has a skill using summarizing, using the somebody wanted but so then technique. And so what would happen is students can read the text and they can either read it with the sound off or on, depending. And I'll just play a little bit of it so you get a sense of what that's like.
Planes, trains, or cars. Mike, Morgan, and Mick were friends. They were going on a trip. They were going to the beach. It was far away. We should go by plane. It'll be...
In addition, or having it read to them, teachers can download these free activities. All it asks for is your name and an email. And I've been on this site for a couple weeks now looking at activities, and I've never gotten an email from them. So it's not like you're going to get a bunch of junk in your inbox, which I know can be a worry. Then I'm just going to press the download button. And all of the activities follow this similar format. So there's always questions. Now, this format is for an interactive notebook. If your students don't do interactive notebooks, I just like that it gave you question ideas. So you could just use these as questions that you want students to complete on a Google Doc, on a discussion board. However you're having students complete assignments, the questions are made for you. Then it has the graphic organizer activity. Again, it's written for an interactive notebook, but you don't have to do it in an interactive notebook format. So it gives you this that you can use. And then every story also comes with a quiz that's pre-made. So you could give the quiz as is, you could put it into a Kahoot, you could put it into your online platform, however you want to do to assess comprehension. And so what you could do is you could print off these activities, you could scan them, you could save them, you could email them, or you could just adapt them for however you want to use this in your classroom. So today's website is really simple. Basically, it just has some guided reading books that can be read aloud to students that focus on various comprehension skills. You probably wouldn't be able to just use the activities as they are, since they're written for an interactive notebook, but I think they give you enough ideas and are easily adaptable that you can make this definitely work for specific students or for your class. So again, the website is called, it's a blog, it's Simply Skilled Teaching, and that is on the e-learning resources page. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video.